Hello, welcome. In this video I'll show you where to find and how to set up the personal voice feature on your iPhone 16e. So all you have to do is just go to settings and find the accessibility tab, scroll down until you see personal voice and press create personal voice. And for most cases you'll be the personal voice available, I believe, in English and Chinese, and you will have to say to your phone like 150 phrases, and this will complete the setup process. Obviously I'm not going to do that because it would take too long and you will get bored. So if you enjoyed this video and consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.